Hello friends! Welcome to my channel. My name is William, and in this video I'll tell you about the YZY Airdrop and how to get tokens in just a couple of minutes. If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button to join our crypto family and stay up to date with all the latest cryptocurrency news. As you know, the world of crypto airdrops is full of new opportunities. In this video, we'll talk about the new YZY. YZY has launched a new service for all its users. If you're a YZY holder or actively engaged on the platform, you'll be eligible to receive tokens. For example, if you run YZY coins, you'll instantly receive $400 as usual. Check out all the materials related to the airdrop event by following the links in the description and comments. After the announcement from Kanye West, the crypto community was, to put it mildly, shocked. The token could be used for exclusive perks, access to limited collections, concept tickets, participation in private events, or even voting for the new designs. Thanks to Kanye West's popularity and the limited supply, the price of the YZY token could skyrocket, turning it into a valuable digital asset for collectors and investors. YZY is Kanye West's project. The goal is to improve blockchain scalability by combining proof of stake and the so-called proof of history mechanisms. The creators claim the platform can process 50,000 transactions per second without compromising decentralization. Now I'll show you how it works using my own example. My Solflare balance is 150 YZY coins. We go to the airdrop website. The link is in the description of this video. Click the Get Rewarded button. Choose any convenient wallet. In my case, it's Solflare. I connected. That's it. In just a few simple steps, I was able to earn 1,000 YZY airdrop tokens, which at the time of recording is about $600. Guys, don't miss this opportunity to make money. It's a great chance to grow your crypto portfolio. Goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe